What's up, guys? It's Dale again. I'm going to do a quick video on some of my maintenance that I do on my Predator 3500 watt generator. For this, what I'm going to be doing, you need a spark plug wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, a 8mm socket and ratchet, and also a 10mm socket and ratchet. And then I also use a small pair of needle nose pliers. I'll also be using some brake clean and a new quart of oil. Now over here at my generator, and for the sake of time, I've already taken most of this apart, and I won't really be showing you how to change oil. I think you should be able to figure that out. But anyway, once you take this side cover off the generator, it's basically in each corner there's a Phillips screw in the top, and then in the bottom there's some spots for some clips, and they just clip in, you screw it back in, and Bob's your uncle on that. Up in here is where your spark plug goes. That's why I had the needle nose pliers. It just makes it easier to get a hold of this, the spark plug cap, and get it off of there. There's also a rubber boot that goes on it. Sometimes when you take this off, this will stay in this hole. Today it just happened to come out. Also on the other side, this is where your air filter is located. Basically on the bottom here, there's a clip and a clip on the top. Take the air filter out, which is right here. Basically what I'll be doing is taking some brake clean, just spraying it down, squeezing it out like you would a regular sponge. Then you put a few drops of oil back in the sponge and reinstall it. Here you can see my old spark plug. I think, let me get it in. You can see it's pretty well carboned up, so I'll be replacing that. There again, that's a $2-3 part. While you're changing the oil, you might as well check it. Here's the new one. I'll be using an auto light plug. There again, you can use it whatever type plug brand you like. Same thing with your oil. I'm not telling anybody what to use or what not to use. But anyway, so you basically put the new plug in, you refill the oil, and then you put the cover back on, and this is all buttoned up. It will take probably right at a quart of oil, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less, just kind of depends on how much actually drained out of the motor. The only other thing I got to do today is on the front side. There again, I've got the cover off, and I've also already disassembled it for the most part. This is the spark arrestor on your generator, and that does need to be cleaned every so often, and I'll show you why here in just a minute. There again, the cover that goes on here is held on with just 6 screws, Phillips head. You just take them out. They're sitting down here all nice and safe. Same thing with the bolts that hold on the spark arrestor. And basically, this piece sits right here like that and is bolted back on when you get done. But what you do is you take those bolts out, set this down, and there's a wire screen in there that needs to be cleaned. And what I did was I sprayed it out really good with some brake clean, and then I put some more brake clean on. I'm just letting it soak right now, you know, just to get it cleaned. Then I'll take my old toothbrush, scrub it down, put it all back together, and reinstall it. The one thing that I got to be honest with you, I was not aware of, because this is technically the first time I've ever done this, is that inside of here is a screen as well. And I don't know if you can tell, but that thing is pretty much carboned up and filthy. Let me stick it back in here for right now. I will be cleaning it and then reinstalling everything. But to me, those are the 3 or 4 main things that you really need to do on one of these Predator generators. Is clean the spark arrestor, change your oil, change your spark plug, and keep your air filter clean. And that's pretty much it. I guess until next time, stay Stay safe, have fun, and let's do it again sometime. Bye.